Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name's Adriana, and here at Modern Avenue, we build, we create, and we redesign furniture. And in today's video, we're going to be showing you how we transformed an outdated dresser and we gave it a brand new look and a brand new design. So stick around and stay tuned.
Okay, so the first step is to remove all of the existing hardware from the dresser. Next step is sanding the dresser body itself, and again we are going to be using 100 grit sanding paper. Depending on the piece, we sometimes use 80 grit, other times 150. It just really depends, but in this case 100 grit worked out perfectly for us and it took out the finish without over sanding or damaging the piece. This piece had an existing base and we wanted to add legs to it. We used the circular saw to cut off the bottom excess. Now it's the perfect size for the design we want. We decided to use wooden dowels to give this dresser a modern texture design. Here we're using a handcrafted tool that we made to fit our table saw machine. After wiggling it and adjusting it to that perfect half circle cut, we are now ready to cut the dowels. To glue down the dowels, we used an adhesive spray glue. We work by sections, placing about 7 to 10 dowels. Next, we cut off the remaining ends with our table saw machine to get a perfect line across. To make sure that the legs have enough support, we will need to add some wood to the bottom. used Bondo to cover up the dents and chips that were too deep to fix with the first round of sanding. Now that all the dowels have been glued and cured from the adhesive, we will sand off the edges with 220 grit and prep them for paint. This is our amazing inflatable painting booth. Here we will paint all parts of the dresser. Before every paint job, we make sure all parts are dust-free and clean to paint.
So we're gonna line request to try.
After the first coat, we sand with 600 grit to make an even, smooth surface for the next coat of paint. The legs were too shiny for this piece, so we spray painted them to have a brassier finish. We measured the middle of the drawer to screw in new hardware. Then we used wallpaper to line the bottom of the drawer and add a personal touch. We flipped over the dresser and screwed in the new legs. For the final step, we are adding beeswax to hydrate the drawer's natural wood. And here's the final look. Well, everyone, that is the end of our video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing our creative process. Comment below what you thought about this video. We will be coming out with more new transformations, so make sure that you subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. Bye!